Hello everyone, welcome to Shakti Enterprises. Here is another video for you. So basically this is a compressor valve. This valve is used in Hyundai cars and specifically in Hyundai I20 Elite and in Verna as well. So the function of this valve is very important. It solves half of the problems of your AC compressor. So sometimes problem is just with the valve. So if the problem is with the valve, what you have to do is you just need to replace it. The best part is that the valve which I have in my hand, it's a genuine Duon valve. So Duon is the compressor which is used in your Hyundai cars, and this valve is made by Duon. So this is an original valve. Sometimes what I have seen is the problem is with the valve, and what mechanic does is they replace the whole compressor, and that costs you a lot of money. So guys, always make sure if the mechanic is saying that there is a problem with the compressor, so you can also ask him specifically that if the mechanic did check the valve. If he has already checked the valve, then only go for the compressor replacement. Otherwise, you just need to replace this valve. And if you would like to buy this valve, what you have to do is you can simply contact us. We are Shakti Enterprises. We are offering this valve at a very best price. Also, we are offering you the genuine valve. Our motto over here is to give you the best products at an affordable price. Now these days problem is that people are taking a lot of money, but still they are not offering good or quality products. So we are solving that problem. We offer you the genuine products at an affordable price. So you can see our numbers on the screen. You can give us a call. You can also start a chat with us. If you would like to start a WhatsApp chat, you can simply click on the link given in the description. Thank you so much, friends. Have a great day. Bye.